Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNally Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're going to be profiling a brand new company to the channel. This one came to me in the form of a subscriber request. The name is ConnectM Technology Solutions, a very innovative company also harnessing the power of AI. Now, before we get into it, please take a second, smash the like button, guys. Big help to myself and the channel. Really helps get this content out to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNally Money, feel free to join. We're just about at 46,000 members. We'd love to have you as part of the community. And finally, leave a comment in the section below. Let me know if you're currently holding shares of ConnectM, what you think about this company, their strategy and business outlook, and the overall sector itself moving into 2025. Now, with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be profiling ConnectM Technology Solutions. As you can see here, trades on the NASDAQ in the United States under the ticker CNTM. Now this is just at the closing bell on Monday, September 30th, down about 2.5% on the day, equating to 3 cents per share, currently trading hands at $1.15 US, giving ConnectM Technology a market cap shy of $30 million. Now if we pull up a 1-month chart on this company, you can see fairly bullish trading pattern, really starting their ascent at the start of September and reaching a local high on the 24th at $1.37. Now we're going to walk through the ConnectM Technology business model, their investor deck, and corporate website. But before we do, I quickly wanted to make note of a few balance sheet improvements, really originating last month with the board approving balance sheet deleveraging initiatives, with the most recent update actually coming out 4 days ago entitled ConnectM Eliminates $13.7 million debt, with the company now achieving 90% of their $15 million target within 30 days of that board approved plan. Now what's great about this move from the company, it's going to reduce their annual interest payments by more than $2 million, increasing free cash flow and giving management the ability to invest back into the operations, growing both revenue and profitability, plus improve the credit profile of the business, and obviously seen very favorably among the investment community. Now, in addition to that, if we jump over to the corporate website, connectm.com, I'll leave this linked in the video description below as well. For those of you who are unfamiliar with this company, ConnectM is a clean energy technology and solutions provider for both residential and light commercial buildings and all-electric original equipment manufacturers, also known as OEMs. Their proprietary digital platform accelerates the transition to solar and all-electric heating, cooling, and transportation. By leveraging innovative technology, data, and artificial intelligence, ConnectM empowers customers to reduce their dependence on fossil fuels, lower overall energy costs, and minimize their carbon footprint. So a very ESG-focused company helping other organizations and residential clients improve their overall business profitability through the implementation of sustainable electrical solutions. They make electrification more user-friendly, affordable, and socially impactful. So obviously as a technology company, their technology stack or platform is critically important. We're going to look into this in more detail in the investor presentation. However, you can see their all-in-one technology solution here both monitors and manages electrified assets throughout their entire life cycle, collects valuable information, and then through artificial intelligence actually harnesses this information to consistently improve their model and the overall performance of the network. So you can see whether you're talking about the decarbonization side of things, including solar, battery, or charging, or on the electrification side, as we just saw with heat pumps and EVs, there's tremendous opportunity in these electrification solutions. And this is a great breakdown talking about those various different verticals or solutions, including residential, commercial, which we just talked about, transportation, and Internet of Things for fleet management and battery diagnostics, and of course, original equipment manufacturers or OEMs, allowing a white label integration of the network and edge products. So with that being said, I now wanted to transition over to the corporate website. This was updated in August of this year, with the first slide really giving a great overview of ConnectM and some of the highlights of this investment. Now in the first column here, you can see there's a large TAM or total addressable market of $2 trillion in US residential and commercial energy expenditure. Obviously, a massive opportunity for any company involved in this space. AI is really changing the game in terms of enabling energy intelligence and optimizing these networks. They've got a proven platform at ConnectM, over 66,000 customers and 25 white label OEM integrations. And on the website, you can see their energy intelligence network currently serves over 50,000 customers, managing more than 100,000 electrified assets. So you can see the growth trajectory just in the iterations of this data. Asset light and capital efficient structure, not to mention those balance sheet improvements we talked about in the intro. And actually recognized multiple times as one of the fastest growing private companies in America, with 1,200% revenue growth between 2021 to 2023, giving them a ranking of 104th in 2024. Now, when you take that $2 million energy consumption figure and break it down, you can see that works out to about 12,000 gigawatt hours, with roughly $845 billion of that being equipment purchases and the remaining $1.27 trillion being operating expenditures itself. And there's actually a further breakdown by household use type on the right here, but staggering numbers, especially when you consider, for those of you who follow the Bitcoin mining content, we regularly talk in megawatts or occasionally gigawatts. So really quite high figures, and again, a huge opportunity for companies like ConnectM. Now, as many of us are well aware, the experience right now is difficult, whether you're talking about HVAC, solar, plumbing, utilities, various different government incentives. You're having to deal with multiple different providers and entities. There's no integrated roadmap for multi-year electrification, difficult to measure or identify your spend versus outcome, and a lack of integration between these various different assets. So as you can imagine, the ConnectM platform not only simplifies this experience for the customer, but integrates, centralizes, and consolidates this data, providing a unique value proposition, including savings, better and more connected data, an improved carbon footprint, and a user-friendly interface to interact with the platform. So again, acting as that central hub between OEMs and various different connected operations for their customers. Now, as you can imagine, setting up this type of platform definitely takes time. They've got several key competitive advantages, including the network growth effect, seen as more and more OEMs, distributors, and different channels want to be involved in the ConnectM platform. And in terms of their technology platform itself, that single app-based interface, integrated, intuitive, and leading management ability, not to mention customer service, warranty, and claim information. And in the commercial use cases, you can imagine sales operations, vendors, insurance, fleet management, fuel expenses, payroll, benefits, how valuable that would be to have all of that information talking to each other, connected and available within one central dashboard. And just to add to that point, again, this is as of June 30th of this year, 10 plus patents already granted in terms of intellectual property, over 66,000 installed customers within their base, 25 plus OEM integrations, and over 14,500 network vehicles. So for those reasons, you guys, I would definitely take a closer look at ConnectM if you're looking for exposure to the grid, electrification, AI, and connected infrastructure within your portfolio. A very interesting company, proven growth record, and a lot of exciting opportunity ahead of them. If you're still watching the video at this point, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button, you guys. Big help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNally Money, feel free to join. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.